Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Kubectl on Ubuntu 22.04. First, you need to download the Kubectl binary from the official Kubernetes release repository. To do this, run the following command in your terminal. This will download the latest stable Kubectl binary from the repository. If you would like to download a specific version instead, you can specify the version in the download URL. Next, you need to make the downloaded binary executable by running the following command. Run the following command to move the binary to a directory included in the system's path environment variable. This will make Kubectl accessible from anywhere in the terminal. First, download the GPG key for the Kubernetes repository by running. Running this command will download the GPG key, convert it to a binary format, and save it as a GPG keyring file. This keyring file is used to verify the authenticity of the packages, ensuring the genuineness of every package you install from the Kubernetes repository. Next, create a repository entry for the Kubernetes packages by executing the following in the terminal. This repository entry will be used by apt to fetch and install packages from the Kubernetes repository. After adding the repository, update the system packages. Now, install Kubectl using apt by running the following command. Run the following command to update the system packages. Next, to install Kubectl using snap, run the following command. Next, you can verify the Kubectl installation by running the following code in the terminal. This will display information about the installed Kubectl in YAML format.